Hi, hello, it's me, it's Mud. I thought a wonderful thing to do at the start of the year would be a craft room office tour thing. Let's show you around. All right, I know this is a little bit cheating since we started facing the other way, but the first thing I want to talk about is my map. This is the door to my craft room, so it's like the first kind of thing behind the door. Every state that has a star in it is a town I have sold something in. I think it'd be really, really cool to reach all 50 states. So if you live in a state without a star, go buy a pattern. I sell them for $2. Or, check out my cool stuff. I don't know. Goals. Next to it is my shelving unit. This is great. I got this from Amazon, and it actually collapses. So I unload everything off of it, fold it up, and use it at my craft shows. But when it's not craft show time, it sits holding all of my various art things. I love crochet, but I like to also have the ADHD hobby of trying everything. So this is sort of where the stuff that actually stuck around goes. Although on top, sneak peek, this is the Raticate that we made on stream today. His puff paint face is drying, which is why there's puff paint on the back of my hand. I have this mat. I got it as part of a box. I don't know. I like it. My keychains and photo wall. Also various desk supplies with the cutest little spider. Diamond dots. That thing will take up all of my brain power. My beautiful camera stand. Hello, camera stand. I have this shelf with various crafting implements and many books. Always down for a good book recommendation. And a Cameo printer cutter thingy. It hates me. What can you do? And my desk, and oh, what's this? I have free patterns too. Heck yeah, mudzarn.com. Go check them out. My library books. This is where I do everything. You can see I have my cool camera stand with my beautiful window for backlighting because natural light or something. Sit stand desk. I love it. Yarn ball holder with currently working on an apron. Desk chair. And then next to my desk, we have 2 bins full of the Pokemon as we slowly make all of them on Twitch. My giant thing of polyfill. Yarn. Yarn. More yarn. More yarn. Oh, good lord. I don't have any good recommendations. My storage is not pretty. But we're working on it. We love being gifted yarn, but sometimes there's a lot of it. My puff paints and various other things. Bizarre Beast Pin Club. I just got this. This is awesome. I got it from Costco. It's a rolly cart with drawers. We got my button eyes, random desk stuff, sneak peek of kit review coming soon, and then notebooks because I'm a paper lover. Notebooks are great. I highly recommend this though. This is the wire build it yourself shelving, but putting one so that it's a pit and putting the balls of yarn in it so it's a ball pit. 10 out of 10 works great, although you can't reach the stuff on the bottom, so it is what it is. And as for business stuff, oh, look how cute we are. Those are the current plushies I have made. That's all my equipment stuff. My dope longboard and more crafting stuff. Oh my god. Oh, and my previous apron. This one's really fuzzy and it is very heavy, which is why I'm making that other new one. I don't know. My cute little trinket shelf. My D&D character. And my cat. Mauser Schmall on Instagram made this for me. And I love it. Look at that cat. Look at those toes. Anyway. thank you for watching, I guess. I'm hoping to try a bunch of new things and slowly get out of my comfort zone, which is a little bit of what this is. Hopefully you gained something from it. It's not the most exciting video, I know. But let me know what you're interested in. I'm looking to expand my video making skills, let's say. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, which will probably be back to your regular scheduled pattern video, and soon to be the crochet beginner's test kit, as I relearn what it's like to be a beginner and eventually learn to teach lessons. Thanks. Bye.